Happy Saturday, guys! Hey guys, so I'm going to give you guys a twist out tutorial today. This is currently my 8th day of an old twist out. If you guys look closely, I've already put like some conditioner in it to just start softening my hair. So when you wear a twist out and you've been wearing it for days and days and days, it gets a little crunchy. So I want to make sure before I shampoo my hair that my hair is soft and a little bit manageable. I'm gonna go and shampoo this out and I'm gonna meet you guys right back here and we're gonna get started on the twist out. So I just shampooed my hair and I just wanted to show you guys, this is the shampoo that I'm currently using right now. This is the leave-in conditioner that I was talking about. Watch me take this wig off and it's gonna get real. After I have washed my hair, applied conditioner to my hair, I like to just go through my entire scalp with this bad boy. Bronner Brothers Hydrating Growth Oil. Once I divide it into 4s, the side that I choose, I'm just going to divide that in half. It takes time. Have some patience and take your time detangling your hair. It's not a fast process. Finally, I'm all done. I know what you guys are thinking. After you get done with your twist out, you're like, my back hurts, my arms hurt, I need a snack and Netflix and a couch. Before I apply my rollers, I'm going to show you guys how I like to do just some cute protective styles with my twist.
Like the cool blue light. 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 Like the cool blue light.
So see how this twist is really curly on the ends, but this twist in the front is not so much. I'm gonna rod these bad boys up. And that's it. I like to air dry my curls. I feel like makes it softer, more manageable, and it lasts longer. I feel like it lasts longer. So I'm gonna let this sit. I'm gonna take the day to do whatever I need to do for the rest of the day, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Okay, it's the next day. I have slept on my hair and I'm gonna reveal what's up under this bonnet. All right, so as you guys can see, I actually went back in and I individually rodded every single twist. So I'm gonna start taking my rollers out. And what I do is I just unravel them like so. Now that I've removed all of my rollers, I'm now going to unravel all of my twists. And what I like to do is just pull each one and then just let it scrunch back on its own. Okay, so this is what my hair looks like once I have taken out my twists. See how they're pretty much still defined? You don't see that much frizz. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it a step further, and with every twist, I'm gonna split them in half. So really each twist turns into 4. So I've found that my hair really likes when I can extend the curl and stretch it and then reach somewhere in the root, split it in half, and then try to evenly get it to separate without too much friction on the ends. It creates less frizz.
Hi, Sonny, this is Dan with Marvin.
Okay, how cute is this hair already? I'm gonna show you guys how I diffuse my hair every single day. Actually, not every day, but I diffuse my hair every other day at least. And I'm gonna show you guys how I do that over the next week or so you guys can follow my big hair journey. And I will see you guys tomorrow so you guys can see how I get even bigger hair. This is just day 1. Hey guys, so this is day number 2. It is 9 o'clock in the morning. I'm about to start my day. So I want to show you guys how my hair looks this morning and how I'm going to make it even bigger. Now, oh my God. Look how my hair looks like Frederick Douglass. Like, first thing I do is shake my hair really, really fast. Okay, so as you guys can see, my curls have kind of loosened already, right? Now what I'm gonna do is take the blow dryer. So I'm gonna use it just to kind of fluff up. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna lift my curl and apply the blow dryer to my roots. Doesn't my hair look so much better? That is literally what I do. Okay, see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, today is day number 3. I'm gonna show you guys what is up under this bonnet. And it is Frederick Douglass again. I'm gonna apply this oil, which is the same oil that I applied the first day that I did my hair. Okay, so now that I've applied the oil, what I'm gonna do next is shake my hair just like I did yesterday. As you guys can see, it looks a little bit bigger, a little bit frizzier, but I still have my defined curls. Day 3 is honestly one of my favorite days. Day you get volume and you know you can play with it a little bit more. It's a little bit longer, it's a little bit fuller, and a little bit messier. So I love day 3. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, good morning. It is day number 4. I can't believe it's day number 4. Like, I feel like, do you ever feel like the days are just running so fast? You guys can already tell just from my bonnet that my hair is very much so bigger than what it started. Let's see what's up under here. Oh, it's fine, ladies. This is how I live. Like, come on, Frederick Douglass, for the 4th day in a row. Okay, I had to change locations because I don't know, the lighting was really weird over there, but okay, that helped a lot. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take my fingers and I'm just gonna pick my own hair with my fingers. Just extend my curls a little bit. So now I'm going to just shake my hair a little bit more. This is day number 4. Hey guys, it's day number 5. I am so excited that I took you guys on this journey of how I make my hair just bigger and bigger and maintain my curls and moisturize, and just how I create the afro that you guys have been falling in love with the past few years. I'm finally sharing my process, and I'm really glad that I did this. So if you guys watched all 5 days, thank you so much. Definitely share this content with another naturalista. Here is my hair, day number 5. Oh my God, is that a flower in my hair? Wait, y'all, this is not planned, I swear. I'm giving you black girl magic, and today is actually a Saturday, so I just feel like the stars have totally aligned. I'm sorry, I'm having a moment. This is not planned, guys. I swear on everything, I had no idea. I literally slept all night with a flower in my head. This is what it looks like without me even touching it. You guys can see I'm giving you black girl magic today. Okay, so can you guys already tell that I did this side of my hair? Look how it looks a little fuller, it looks a little longer. So let's do the other half of my hair. Okay, so once you feel like you've gotten the volume that you want and the big hair that you desired, I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I enjoy recording my hair every single day, just seeing the process for myself. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Sonique Saturday. Love you guys. Bye.